Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a bad vent valve solenoid? This part here is the vent valve solenoid, and it is part of the evap system, and it can be found on the charcoal canister or it can be found near the charcoal canister. Since the vent valve solenoid is part of the evap system should be a closed system. The purpose of the evap system is to absorb and to store fuel vapor until it is ready to be burned into the engine. How do you know you have a failing vent valve solenoid? And the first sign is the check engine light is going to turn on and you're going to get codes for P0446 and P0449. Since the vent valve solenoid is located on the vehicle undercarriage, and when you're getting P0446 or P0449, the first thing you should check is for a broken or loose wire, and you should also check the connection. You want to check the pin on the inside and make sure it is not corroded. The next reason why the vent valve solenoid is not working properly is because maybe the vent valve solenoid is clogged on the inside. When it is clogged, it cannot operate properly. So what causes it to clog? Well, the first reason why the vent valve solenoid port is clogged is going to be caused by dirt. Dirt can enter the port and cause the inside to clog up. Also, the pellets inside the charcoal canister can start to break off. It can enter the vent valve solenoid and also cause it to clog and cause it to not work properly as well. When the vent valve solenoid is extremely clogged, you might notice that when you're at the gas station and you're trying to pump gas, you might notice that the nozzle keeps clicking off. If it keeps clicking off, it is possible that the vent valve solenoid might be clogged. The next reason why you're getting P0446 and P0449 vent valve solenoid code is because the hose that's connected to the port is either loose or cracked. For example, for this one over here, if I pull the vent valve solenoid aside, you can see that the hose is extremely cracked and it is brittle and it can easily fall apart. Here is a close-up view of the cracked and brittle hose. So make sure to replace the hose if it is cracked and brittle. While you're here and you're going to replace the hose, make sure there's no charcoal canister pellet entering the hose, because if it is entering the hose and when you replace the vent valve solenoid or the hose, it is going to keep clogging up because the charcoal canister is bad and it is causing a lot of the pellets to enter the vent valve solenoid and it's going to keep clogging it up. So make sure to change the charcoal canister as well. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.